The Lion and the Noisy Rat story, telling by Manarian. Once upon a time, there was a lion sleeping at the forest. A rat was playing drum, making noisy near the lion. Tak 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 tak. The lion got up, and he was very angry. The rat was very afraid and asked the lion to forgive him. Please, forgive me, my majesty. Please, forgive me. The lion thought a little and forgave him. The lion and the rat became friends. They lived happily ever after. Repeat after me. Each sentence 3 times. There was a lion sleeping at the forest. There was a lion sleeping at the forest. There was a lion sleeping at the forest. A rat was playing with his drum, making noisy near the lion. Tak 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 tak. A rat was playing with his drum, making noisy near the lion. Tak 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 tak. A rat was playing with his drum, making noisy near the lion. Tak 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 tak. The lion got up, and he was very angry. The lion got up, and he was very angry. The lion got up, and he was very angry. The rat was so afraid and asked the lion to forgive him. The rat was so afraid and asked the lion to forgive him. The rat was so afraid and asked the lion to forgive him. Please, forgive me, my majesty. Please, forgive me, my majesty. Please, forgive me, my majesty. The lion thought a little and forgave him. The lion thought a little and forgave him. The lion thought a little and forgave him. The lion and the rat became friends. The lion and the rat became friends. The lion and the rat became friends. They lived happily ever after. They lived happily ever after. They lived happily ever after. Vocabulary. Once upon a time, في يوم من الأيام. Forest, غابة. Drum, طبلة. Noisy, إزعاج أو ضوضاء. Get up, استيقظ. Angry, غضبان. Afraid, خائف. Forgive him, غفر له أو يسامحه. Thought, فكر. Friends, أصدقاء. Happily, سعداء. Ever after. القصة في زمن الماضي، فهتلاقي مستخدمين الباست والباست continuous. الباست بستخدمه للتعبير عن الحقائق، يعني حاجة حقيقية، أيوة دوت مثلا أسد، دوت فار، دوت كذا، فدي حاجة حقيقية. وبستخدم الباست كونتينوس للتعبير عن حاجة حد بيعملها، يعني الفار بيعزف على الطبلة، حاجة بيعملها، فبستخدم الباست كونتينوس. تمام. بس طبعا طالما هو بيعملها في الماضي فبستخدم الباست مش البريزنت. verb to be في الباست بيبقى was. بعد كده there was a lion. تمام. فالباست continuous the rat was playing. The rat was playing. got up ده الفعل الماضي. الفعل البريزنت أو المصدر الفعل get up. get up get up طبعا ده بالأمريكان. got up get up. thought فكر ده الماضي بتاع think يفكر، يبقى thought ده الماضي بتاع think. became ده الماضي بتاع become. became ده الماضي بتاع become. وبكده نكون وصلنا لنهاية حلقتنا. لو الفيديو عجبك لايك والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. كانت معكم منال ريان.